Look at this dashboard. You have Reolink, Dahua, and Hikvision cameras, all streaming side by side in perfect harmony. You probably take this simplicity for granted, but remove one specific protocol and this system instantly collapses. You'd be stuck juggling 5 different proprietary apps just to see who's at the front door. The interoperability vanishes. That invisible thread holding your network together, that's ONVIF. Let's look under the hood and see exactly how it's keeping your system from falling apart. Technically, it stands for Open Network Video Interface Forum. It was created back in 2008 by giants like Axis, Bosch, and Sony to finally end the proprietary madness. Are you looking for a simple, privacy-focused way to interact with your ONVIF-compatible IP cameras without relying on any third-party cloud services? Check out onvif-cam-poll repository by path variable. This project offers 2 straightforward Go scripts designed for just that. With these tools, you can pull motion events from your ONVIF cameras or even set their time and date directly from your own machine. No cloud middleman, no unnecessary dependencies. The main script is written in Go for speed and reliability, with supporting shell scripts and the makefile to help with setup. Perfect for home users or small businesses who want full control over their security cameras. onvif-cam-poll helps you keep things private, simple, and under your own control. Check out the repo, follow the README, and take back your camera privacy today. The absolute easiest way to install Go is directly from their official website. No complicated commands needed. Just go to go.dev/dl, pick your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and hit download. Once downloaded, run the installer. The wizard automatically handles setting up your environment variables. Just click Next a few times, then install, and you're done. To verify, open a new terminal and type Go version. You should see the installed version number right there. That's it. You're ready to start coding in Go. Happy building! Getting started with onvif-cam-poll is quick and easy. First, clone the repository to your machine using Git. Since the main scripts are written in Go, make sure you have Go installed. This works great on Linux, Windows, or even a Raspberry Pi. Simply run go build in the project directory to compile the binaries, or use the provided makefile for a streamlined setup. Once built, you can execute the script directly to start pulling your ONVIF cameras or to set their date and time. To deploy on a Raspberry Pi, follow the exact same steps. Just clone, build, and run. Thanks to Go's portability, everything works out of the box on ARM-based Pis, making it a fantastic low-power solution for local camera management. I streamlined the deployment with a single makefile. You don't need to manually move binaries around. Just run make install. This triggers a chain reaction. It validates your Go path, compiles the Go binaries, and immediately creates system-wide symlinks for all 5 tools. Finally, it automatically generates the systemd service templates and places them in your config folder. You are now ready to create your environment files and start the services. Now let's talk about integrating and extending onvif-cam-poll for your unique setup. If you want to change how often the script polls your cameras for events, just head into the Go source code. Look for variables related to polling intervals. These are typically specified as time, .duration, or maybe simple integers representing seconds or minutes. Adjust these values to suit how frequently you want to check for new motion events. What if you have multiple cameras? The scripts are designed to be simple, so you can extend them by creating a list or configuration file of camera IPs, then run the polling function in a loop or as a separate Go routine for each one. With a little Go programming, you can scale up to cover your whole environment. Want to connect your cameras to your smart home setup? Try piping the event output to MQTT, Home Assistant, or Node-RED. These platforms thrive on simple event-driven data. You could also modify the script to send webhook posts to remote endpoints, trigger notifications, or log events into a database for historic tracking. Now that I've shown you how the magic works, I'm curious, what does your network look like? Are you running a Frankenstein setup with 5 different camera brands like I do, or are you locked into a single ecosystem? Seriously, drop your setup in the comments. I read through them to get ideas for future builds. And speaking of future builds, if you want me to do a deep dive into RTSP streaming secrets, or how to bridge all of this into Home Assistant, let me know. If this video helped you connect the dots, please hit that like button. It goes a long way. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.